Bird and Kip, Episode 43. Bird feels awful. Bird was sick. Her throat was scratchy and her head hurt. Even her feet ached.
I feel awful,
Moaned Bird.
Poor Bird.
Thought Kip. Kip wanted to help Bird feel better.
I will bring something to her,
he said. Kip thought about what Bird liked. Then he had an idea,
Pizza crust.
said Kip.
Bird loves pizza crust. I'll find a good one for Bird.
Kip went to the boardwalk. He looked in some trash cans. Soon Kip found a perfect pizza crust. It had the brown bubbles Bird liked,
Bird will love this.
Kip said. On the way home, Kip saw Seagull,
Hi, Seagull.
said Kip.
Bird is sick. I'm bringing a pizza crust to her.
Seagull looked at the pizza crust, said Seagull.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Little Fox.